Okay, finally, we will look at one more example and introduce two more words or three more words, okay? So this one, okay, you may not be able to read the question, okay? They are too small. I read it to you, okay? So this is the number of years of service of all employees in a company. So the horizontal axis is years of service, okay? So the first one is ask you how many number of, what is the number of employees in the company, okay? So again, you look at the highest point here, and then you look at the cumulative frequency. So there are 40 people, right? So this is easy, okay? Find the total number of people. Okay, B, find the longest year of service. Longest year of service. So that means year of service, you are looking at the horizontal axis. And this guy, okay, has the longest year of service. And then you look at how many years he or she got. So that is 33. So 33 years. And then part C, find the median. Okay, so this is the first word I want you to know. Okay, median. Okay, in Chinese, 中位數. So that is only a way to mean P50. Okay, so 50% of people got shorter years of service than this guy, and 50% of people got more years of service than this guy. So he's in the middle, median. Okay, so he's called a median. So first of all, we write down cumulative frequency corresponding to median. So 50% of people. How many people are there? We found out in part A, 40. So that is 20. Okay, so the middle is the 20th. And then you look at how many years he or she got. 11. Therefore, median is 11 years. So you already got the answer. Okay, so for part D, it asks you the upper quartile and lower quartile. So first of all, I want you to learn these two words, okay? Upper quartile. Okay, I use black. Upper quartile. Quartile means 1/4, okay? So we divide the whole number of people in 4 proportions, okay? So for example, let's say your results, right? So this guy is the maximum, the highest mark. This guy is the minimum, the lowest mark. All right, we talk about in the middle. We talk about this is the median, okay? So in the middle, median. Upper quartile is this guy, okay? Upper quartile. So this is P50, right? This is P100. This is, we call P0, right? So what is this? What do you think? Okay, should be P75, okay? And this one, the lower quartile, should be P25, okay? So now, the upper quartile, okay, I won't write down the step here, okay? So I will just do it on the graph. So the upper quartile, 75% of people should be 75% times 40. So that is 30 people. So we look at here. So that is 20 years, okay, 20 years. P75 is 20. And then for P25, okay, so it should be 25% times 40 people, 10 people. Okay, that is 5 years. So P25 is 5 years. So to answer the question, the difference is 15 years, right? 20 minus 5, okay? Finally, I have one more question that I want you to learn is Amy, okay, there is a guy called Amy. Amy has the service year of 13, okay, 13 years. So find the percentile. So we do the opposite thing. We have to find the percentile. So first of all, of course, we want to look at 13 years. What is the cumulative frequency? That is 22. 22. So remember, that means 22 people work shorter or equal to Amy. Okay, 22 people. And then how do we change that to percentile? Okay, we divide it by total number and multiply by 100%. So that is 55%. So the percentile to answer the question is P55. That's it. Okay, so that's quite easy, I hope. So remember, student, we will keep on teaching for the rest of the class suspension period. Okay, we will go on to chapter 8. Okay, that is quite simple. Okay, square root. I hope you can do it by watching the videos and practicing at home. Remember to finish your classwork. Okay, the whole chapter 4. Okay, we will check that later. Okay, even maybe sometime in March. Okay, we will have you submitted on Google Classwork, for example. Okay, so make sure you do the classwork on time. Okay, and don't do nothing. Okay, don't just sit at home and do nothing. Okay, work hard.